When it comes to student life, having a reliable laptop is essential for managing coursework, research, and communication. However, balancing the need for a powerful device with budget constraints can be challenging. In this guide, we've compiled a list of top laptops that offer the perfect balance between performance, price, and features that students require. From long battery life to lightweight designs, these laptops are built to help you stay productive, organized. Whether you're tackling assignments or streaming your favorite shows, these laptops are ready to support your academic journey. Check out our list to find the best laptop for your studies. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Acer Nitro V16. The Acer Nitro V16 is an excellent gaming laptop for students balancing both work and play. Equipped with a 16-inch display and 165 Hz refresh rate, it offers smooth, responsive visuals perfect for fast-paced gaming and media consumption. Powered by an RTX 4060 GPU, it handles demanding games at medium to high settings without breaking a sweat. Despite its fully plastic build and slightly mushy keyboard, the Nitro V16 delivers in the areas that matter: solid performance and affordability. It also offers up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it well-suited for multitasking. Number 7. Acer TravelMate P6. The Acer TravelMate P6 is a superb, ultra-portable laptop tailored for students who prioritize mobility and long battery life. Weighing just 2.65 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around for long days at school. Its magnesium alloy chassis ensures durability, adding to its premium feel. The 14-inch 1200p display with a 16:10 aspect ratio provides additional vertical space for reading, browsing, and multitasking. The TravelMate P6 excels with its impressive 13-hour battery life, ensuring students can get through an entire day without needing to plug in. While the keyboard could benefit from firmer feedback, the overall experience is polished and reliable. Number 6. MacBook Air M3. The MacBook Air M3 is an exceptional choice for students who prefer Apple's ecosystem and need a lightweight but powerful device. Powered by Apple's latest M3 processor, this model ensures top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, writing papers, or editing videos. Weighing just over 3 pounds, it's a breeze to carry between classes. One of its standout features is the 19-hour battery life, allowing students to stay productive throughout a busy school day. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6. For students who need a reliable and durable laptop, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6 is an outstanding pick. Built with endurance in mind, this laptop boasts up to 24 hours of battery life, allowing students to tackle a full schedule without worrying about recharging. Its 14-inch 1920 by 1200 display provides excellent clarity for reading, writing, and watching videos. The ThinkPad Snapdragon X Elite processor ensures smooth performance for multitasking and everyday computing tasks. Despite its robust performance, storage could feel limited at its price point, but the overall build quality, durability, and portability make up for it. The backlit keyboard is a standout feature for late-night study sessions, and the solid security features, like a fingerprint scanner, offer peace of mind. Number 4. Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook. The Lenovo Flex 5i is a versatile Chromebook that caters to students who value performance and flexibility. Its standout feature is the convertible design, allowing users to switch seamlessly between laptop and tablet modes. This is complemented by a vibrant 1200p touchscreen display, perfect for note-taking, browsing, and media consumption. The Intel Core i3 processor ensures smooth and efficient web-based tasks, while the well-designed keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience. With a sleek aluminum finish, the Flex 5i looks and feels more premium than its price suggests. The 9-hour battery life, though not the longest, is enough to last through a typical school day. Ideal for students who rely on Google's ecosystem for schoolwork, this Chromebook delivers fast performance in a sleek, portable package. Number 3. Acer Aspire Go 15. The Acer Aspire Go 15 is the ideal budget-friendly laptop for students seeking a reliable yet affordable machine. Equipped with an Intel Core i3-N305 processor, it handles basic tasks such as web browsing, streaming, and word processing with ease. The 15.6-inch 1080p display provides clear and bright visuals, suitable for daily school activities and entertainment. Despite its low price, the Aspire Go 15 doesn't skimp on essentials, offering a respectable 12-hour battery life to get through a full day of classes. The build quality feels slightly bulky compared to higher-end models, but it remains durable and functional. The comfortable keyboard and range of connectivity options make it a convenient choice for students on a budget. If you're looking for a no-frills, dependable laptop for schoolwork and light tasks. Number 2. Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. The Asus ZenBook 14 OLED stands out with its stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen, delivering incredibly vibrant visuals, perfect for students who enjoy entertainment alongside their schoolwork. Powered by a robust processor, this laptop offers excellent performance for multitasking, research, and media editing. Its 16-hour battery life ensures you can stay productive throughout the day without needing frequent recharges. The sleek and premium build quality of the ZenBook 14 adds to its appeal, providing a luxurious feel at an affordable price. While slightly less powerful than some of its competitors, it still holds its own with responsive performance, making it a solid choice for students looking for high-quality visuals and reliable day-to-day functionality. The ZenBook 14's balanced combination of features, performance, and price makes it an excellent runner-up for students who want both a beautiful display and strong performance. Number 1. Dell Inspiron Plus 14. The Dell Inspiron Plus 14 is a top-tier choice for students seeking a high-performing and reliable laptop. With a sharp 14-inch 1400p display, this laptop is perfect for detailed tasks like writing, research, and media consumption. Its PC Mark 10 score of 7,061 highlights its ability to handle heavy workloads efficiently, making it ideal for multitasking students. The laptop boasts an impressive battery life of up to 17 hours, ensuring all-day productivity without frequent recharges. While its design may seem understated, it offers great comfort with a smooth keyboard and an anti-glare display, perfect for bright environments. Priced at $999.99, the Dell Inspiron Plus 14 provides outstanding value with robust performance, durability, and premium features, making it a fantastic choice for students who need a reliable, functional laptop capable of handling both day-to-day tasks and more demanding academic work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.